about a brown bear. My mammal. Mammal is on shrub layer in the forest. And the bear likes to eat salmon. And my favorite thing about an interesting fact about bears that they hibernate. I like this animal because it's fluffy.
My report is about a forest animal called a fox. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly on the shrub layer zone of the forest. This fox likes to eat small animals and fruits. One interesting fact about this animal is they make 40 different sounds. I like this animal because it sleeps cute, curled in a ball.
My report is about a forest animal called a raccoon. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly on the shrub layer zone of the forest. This animal likes to eat meat and vegetables. One interesting fact about this animal is they like to sneak food from garbage cans at parks. I like this animal because they have masked markings on the eyes.
My forest animal is a forest animal called a cardinal. It is a bird animal. This animal lives mostly on the understory zone of the forest. This cardinal likes to eat seeds and nuts. One interesting fact about this animal is male cardinals can get their red feathers from food. I like this animal because it reminds me of my grandpa.
My report is about a forest animal called a bluebird. It is a bird. This animal lives mostly on the understory zone of the forest. This bluebird likes to eat insects, fruit, and berries. One interesting fact about this animal is snakes and cats eat bluebirds. I like this animal because they are blue.
My report is about a forest animal called a hawk. It is a bird. This animal lives mostly on the understory zone of the forest. This hawk likes to eat mice and rabbits. One interesting fact about this animal is they have the best eyesight in the entire animal world. I like this animal because they are strong and powerful birds. My report is about a forest animal called a fox squirrel. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly on the understory zone of the forest. This fox squirrel likes to eat acorns and insects. One interesting fact about this animal is they are about 2 feet long. I like this animal because I think it's cute.
My report animal is about a forest animal called a wolf. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly on the forest floor. This wolf likes to eat meat. One interesting fact about this animal is hack. Because I like this animal because my dad likes them.
My report is about a forest animal called a badger. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly on the forest floor zone of the forest. This animal likes to eat flesh and berries and earthworms. One interesting fact about this animal is it's part of the skunk family. I like this animal because they can dig.
My report is about a forest animal called a moose. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly on the shrub zone of the forest. This moose likes to eat twigs, leaves, bushes, and underwater plants. One interesting fact about this animal is that it is 7 feet tall and weighs up to 1,500 pounds. I like this animal because it is strong.
My report is about a forest animal called a wolverine. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly on the shrub zone of the forest. This animal likes to eat meat. One interesting fact about this animal is they can smell 20 feet under the snow. I like this animal because they have big teeth.
My report is about a forest animal called a firefly. It is an insect. This animal lives mostly on the shrub layer zone of the forest. This insect likes to eat nectar or pollen. One interesting fact about this animal is it can glow. I like this animal because it lives all over the world.
My forest animal is called an owl. It is a bird. This animal lives mostly on the understory zone of the forest. This owl likes to eat rabbits. One interesting fact about this animal is owls can rotate their neck 270 degrees. I like this animal because they are cool.
My report is about a forest animal called a rabbit. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly on the forest floor zone of the forest. This rabbit likes to eat vegetation. One interesting fact about this animal is a female rabbit is called a doe. I like this animal because there were so many kinds of rabbit. My report is about a forest animal called a porcupine. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly on the herb layer zone of the forest. This porcupine likes to eat fruits and vegetables. One interesting fact about this is its spikes. I like this animal because it is a mammal.